spots.
Yeah, we're tracking the hottest day of the year with no rain chances during the day. That's one of the reasons we're not going to get any cooling relief. But by tonight and tomorrow, severe storms may return to parts of southern Wisconsin, so we'll be tracking that closely. This comes in along a cold front that sets the stage for a much milder, much drier upcoming weekend, so it looks pretty nice by then. Today, though, plenty hot. We start off in the 70s this morning. A couple areas of fog out the door for some of us. Plenty humid by noon in the mid to upper 80s, and later this afternoon, low to mid 90s. And when you factor in the humidity because of that wind out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour, I think some of us could see a heat index in the triple digits today. So the dew point tracks the humidity for us, and we're going to have dew point levels around 70 this afternoon, which is downright steamy. This weekend, dew point levels will drop significantly, and that's much drier air moving in. So a heat advisory is in place for much of southern Wisconsin. It does not include Dodge, Marquette, or Green Lake counties in the WKOW area, but it'll still be pretty warm there as well. So here's what you need to know. Heat index will approach 100 for those in the advised area. We're going to want you to drink plenty of water today and stay in the AC probably as much as possible, limiting time outside, checking in on the pets, children, and elderly folks, making sure that they are playing it safe as well. No heat index right now with conditions in the 60s. It'll be feeling like the low to mid 70s for the drive-in. Already feeling like the 90-degree mark by your lunch hour. And of course, we don't stop there. Feeling like the upper 90s to around 100. Heat index at 101 in Prairie du Chien today, 100 in Lone Rock, feeling like 97 in Madison. And tomorrow, similarly hot with heat index values in the low to mid 90s. On to storm chances now. Staying rain-free today, but here we are after midnight, tracking the chance for some showers and storms coming in from the north. Higher chance for the storms as we get later into Friday as that cold front sags southward. So here we are by the evening commute Friday evening, showing off those showers and storms arriving. More showers and storms later in the evening into around midnight, and then a quieter setup into Saturday with that flow turning out of the north. So tonight's severe weather potential, higher chance as we look at areas north of the Dells in yellow, lower chance for the rest of the region, and then tomorrow the inverse as that boundary gets southward. We have the higher threat level for much of the rest of the WKOW area. So our highest chance for severe storms going to be as we end the work week by late Friday. So tonight and Friday evening have similar threats, though. Gusty winds and some flooding not out of the question. Small hail is possible. No real tornado risk, though. Why are we talking about this change up in our weather pattern? Well, it has to do with our jet stream, fast-moving winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Through tomorrow, we have a glancing blow of this heat dome that's developing over the south. Remember, we've been talking about extreme heat down towards the desert southwest and Texas for weeks now. That's building our way, and again, we'll have a couple hot days to go because of that mild air pushing into Canada. The jet stream also steers storm systems, so that's going to be right on top of us, which is why I do think we're going to be seeing those storm chances tonight and likely again later day on Friday. Here's your 7-day forecast. 90s today and tomorrow with a heat index about 5 to 10 degrees higher than the actual temperature. We're in the low 80s this weekend, looking nice, and then a slow warm up through next work week.